Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me today. Walter here at the workbench with the corrosion inhibiting paper. It came. The brand I selected was Cortec. There's several brands out there. I'll leave a link down in the description box for this. They do come in rolls. I chose the sheets, 12 by 12. There's 50 sheets in here. That'll cover my needs for quite some time. The key to the corrosion inhibiting paper is your tools have to be clean, rust free, preferably lightly oiled with something like maybe camellia oil or jojoba oil or even just a light machine oil. And then you carefully fold the tool into the paper, eliminating as much air as possible. Then you should put it into some sort of a container. Cardboard box is okay, but cardboard boxes pick up moisture when it gets damp. I'm going to call the company and ask them if I should put it in a plastic bag or maybe a wooden box. So then you wrap your tool up, you put it in a box or a cabinet, and like for plain blades, this is excellent because you just fold, tuck, tuck, and you put it into a toolbox or a tool cabinet, and it will protect them from rusting. So that's about it on this video, except to mention to you, have I told you how much I like my 4.5 smoother, my Stanley 4.5? I just did this piece of hard rock maple, and you can see from there the shine on it. It's polished. So head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Clean your tools. Protect them from rust. Now I will say there is an alternative to the paper. You can get solid camphor blocks and put them in your toolbox, put them in your cabinet, wherever you're storing your tools. The camphor dispels the oxygen, so it leaves a gas in there. They also have a wood called camphor wood, and some people talk about putting a strip of that or a block of that in their toolbox or in with the tools that they're putting in storage, and that helps. So the key is a good clean tool and a dry shop. Head out to your shop. Like, subscribe, share. I appreciate you being here. It means a lot to me. Walter out.